Hello, today I'm gonna be showing you how to get a lot of money and coins for the Sushi Spinnery on Steam. This is for educational purposes only. Do not use any of these tools for any online games or anything like that. There are gonna be two ways to achieve this. The first one includes downloading an executable file that will be most likely flagged by your antivirus. The second one, you only have to download the save data and overwrite it. So I suggest you do the second one. Still, I'm just gonna show you both ways. So the first method will be to download the trainer that I built for this. It's gonna be on Discord called the Sushi Spinnery trainer for version 2.4. Once you download that, extract it into a folder and run it. And put it over there. Click start. I'm gonna start a new game. I'm gonna call this I did not cheat.exe. All right, and with the trainer, if you press F3, it will give you money. If you press F6, it will give you the coins. So I'm just gonna go ahead and press F3. And I already have $3 million. If I wanted more, I press it again. And you can just repeat the process to get more. To get coins, just press F6. And you get all the coins, 3,000. And yes, you can get more. So the second way will be to override the save data of the game. To do that, we have to make sure that the game is closed. With the game, yes. Go ahead and download the save data. It's gonna be here. It's gonna be called the Sushi Spinnery save. Once you download it, extract it into a folder. And we'll come back to this later. Next, you want to go into Steam. Right click on your game. Click Manage Browse Local Files. And in here, you want to go into the Saves folder inside of this mumbo jumbo numbers. And these are the files we want to replace. So we go to here. We copy this. We paste it in place. And then we run the game. When the game opens up, you will have a lot of money. Just click continue and you will have 3,333 coins. And that's how you get a lot of money and coins. If you have any suggestions for any other games that you need help with, feel free to leave a comment. I do not do anything related to online games or multiplayer games. So yeah. And I think that's the end of the video. I'll see you later. Bye.